It was a sunny day. The wind was a little strong. I was happy. I sat under a big tree with my book. Reading is my favorite thing to do. Suddenly, Tom ran out of the house. He wore his red baseball cap. "I have an idea! A great idea!" Buddy the dog ran after him. Buddy's tail was wagging. Mia and Gracie came outside too. "What is the idea, Tom?" Mia asked. She was very excited. "Let's build a kite," Tom said. "A big, beautiful kite." Tom brought some things. He had long, thin sticks. He had a big piece of paper and a long string. Gracie looked at everything. She is very artistic. She took her notebook and a pencil. "I can draw a good plan for the kite," she said. She drew a beautiful diamond shape. We all worked together. Mia loves colors. She painted the paper with bright blue and yellow paint. I helped Tom tie the sticks together. It was hard, but we did it. Buddy tried to help. He played with the long string. We all laughed. Soon, our kite was ready. It was big and very colorful. We went to the open field. Tom held the kite. "Ready?" he asked. He ran. The kite went up a little, and then it fell down. "Oh no," Tom said. He tried again and again. The kite did not fly. Gracie watched the kite. She was very thoughtful. She said, "I know. It needs a tail." We found some old cloth and made a long tail for the kite. We tied it to the bottom. This time, Mia held the kite. She ran fast. The wind picked up the kite. It went up, up, up into the sky. It was flying. We all looked up. The blue and yellow kite danced in the wind. Buddy barked at the kite in the sky. It was a perfect afternoon.